Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about solving an equation involving logarithms on both sides, problem type 2. So for this problem, we want to be able to use the fact that log base b of x, if this is equal to log base b of y, then x equals y. But right here I have a sum. I'm adding two logs. But what do I do if I'm adding two logs? Well, I can use the product property and combine those. So this is the log of 5 times x plus 3 equals the log of 9. Now I have a log base 10 of something equals log base 10 of another thing, which means the insides are equal. And I can solve this by factoring this 5 in, subtracting 15 to both sides. So I get 5x equals negative 6, and then divide by 5. So x equals negative 6/5. Always with logarithms, check. Okay, plug in negative 6/5 for x into the original and see if I get a negative inside my log. So the log of negative 6/5 plus 3, what is that equal to? Well, it's going to be a positive number, right? I can actually check by finding a common denominator, which will be 15/3. So I'm going to get the log of positive 9/3 plus, or not 9/3, sorry, 9/5. This should be fifths here. This is 15/5. 3 is 15/5, and then I have 9/5 left. And then I have the log of 5. Now remember, what do I do with these logs? I multiply the insides and I end up getting log of 9, which is what I have on the right hand side. So it does work, and it's only going to give me a positive number inside of a log, so no worries there. That one will work. So here's another one. Here we have a log base e, or natural log. Now I want you to think for a moment how you might set this up so I end up getting only one log on each side. What are we going to do? Pause the video and start working on it for a minute. What we're going to do is we're going to take the natural log of 2 times x plus 7 on that right hand side, and that's equal to the natural log of 19. So once we have the same bases we can solve, we'll get 19 equals 2 times x plus 7. In the end, after solving, I want you to go ahead and solve through this. We should get x equals 5/2. And then when we plug it in, back in for this one, we will get that it works out. Okay, so that is an answer even after checking. And that's how we can solve equations involving logarithms on both sides.